All right, Trade Confident family, I hope you guys are ready. Bitcoin looks like it is about to fly, and I'm going to give you guys some proof in this video today. Guys, altcoins, you have very, very little time to acquire your bags. If you guys are part of our membership, you know that I gave you guys the exact date that has been correct in the last two bull markets. You have a specific amount of time at a specific date in November that you need to get all of your altcoin bags situated before the prices are expected to skyrocket. This is based off the last two cycles, and it looks at a certain amount of days after the previous halving events. We watch Bitcoin dominance absolutely crash on this date, and that's when we expect altcoins to take off, and we are seeing a little precursor of that today on Doge because it is just ripping today. All right, here's what I want to share with you guys. So we have currently broken the previous resistance here, which was at 69,727, and now we are targeting 70,022. What I'll be showing you guys tomorrow is where I expect Bitcoin to head, but more importantly than that is that we have built a proprietary price prediction algorithm that has been absolutely insane. Basically, to cut straight to the point, we've been able to predict into the future, 31 days into the future, where we expected Bitcoin to be placed as far as price. And we have not found models that have beat this accuracy yet. We feel very blessed to have this. These are not the updated ones. We're keeping that for our members. We'll be going over this every Tuesday and Friday in our membership. But what we have done is we've actually forecasted out based off 11 years of data where Bitcoin was expected to go for the month of October. And we've done this based off the 4-year halving cycles as well as the averaged price increase or decrease on the last 11 years. We have 11 years in blue here, and then we have the 4-year cycles in red. So what we were able to do is comprise data 30 days in advance, and actually data that was actually 365 days in advance of where we expected the price to be in October. And we've been able to get this down to a 4% deviation model. And so you guys know this, the red line, the gray line, and the green line, they were all created on the 1st of October. We predicted that Bitcoin would stay within this range for the entire month of October, and I'm going to give you guys an update tomorrow of where we're at. So based off this, I'm going to be giving you guys where the target is for October to end for Bitcoin, as well as once we go into November, we already have the schematics ready for November. We just have to plug in November 1st, and everything is created into the future. Okay, so we're actually going to be releasing these to all of our members, and we're going to be talking about this every Tuesday and every Friday in our membership. There's a link in the description. You do get a 25% off on your membership. So please, guys, use that and watch the update tomorrow. What we're expecting to see is for crypto to get pretty bullish for the rest of October. And obviously we have elections on November 5th. However, with our predicted models, we are seeing something come up in November that you guys need to be aware of. And we will be talking about that tomorrow. And I'm going to actually give you guys, the nice thing about this is that we can actually drill this down to a specific date of when we expect the market to increase and decrease. And we've actually been able to predict the 3 best buying opportunities for the entire month of October based off our 4% deviation model. So if you guys have been following this, anybody who bought in on October 9th and 10th, these were undisputably the best buying opportunities you could have had for cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and your altcoins in October. I'll give this away a little bit, but we also had another one flash on the 25th, which was the bottom. And if everybody bought on the 25th, as you guys saw on these charts, you guys were able to get into very nice appreciation prices for Bitcoin because obviously we've had it up since the 25th. It's not a coincidence that Bitcoin is following our schematics here and where we expect Bitcoin to go. This is over 5,000 data points per chart. We've never released this before. This is something new just for our members. So go to tradeconfident.io. Click the link in the description, use the 25% off for your first month, and I'm excited to share that with you guys tomorrow. But I believe, and I'll show you guys with evidence of why I think Bitcoin is going to get pretty bullish here, and I do expect Bitcoin to cross over the $70,000 to $71,000 mark on Halloween or just after on November 1st. But then after that, we need to watch for some pullbacks, which I'll explain about. Wanted to give this announcement out to you guys. I'll see you tomorrow in the future forecast. Go over to tradeconfident.io. Once you guys sign up, go over to Future Forecast and then scroll down tomorrow morning on the 29th of October. I will have a brand new video here for you guys to watch, and you guys can see all the predicted charts, what I'm doing with our account portfolio, which we are currently at 924,000. 650,000 is our principal balance, so we are, in a great deal of profit here. And I'll show you guys what I expect to happen with this account and which coins I believe you should be holding as altcoins to make the most money in this next cryptocurrency cycle. All right, guys, have a good one. Tradeconfident.io. Grab a membership. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. You guys can see those charts. Bye, guys.